Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Willy. Today, well, we're gonna get back on the 224 mini bike. When I first put the 224 Max Performance Predator engine on there, I kind of adapted the name Max to the bike. So I think from now on I'll refer to it as Max instead of 224 MM80 or Mega Moto or whatever. It'll just be Max. So let's take a look at Max. So as you know, the engine's back in. If you saw the videos of the build of the engine, you knew what what I went through to get it to this point. It's a great engine. I have nothing bad to say about the 224. It had plenty of power before I did all the modifications to it, and I'm looking forward to starting it up and getting it going. I've got the vent line in already. And I kind of wish that I went with a 3/8 line. I may still change it, or 5/16, whatever that is. I believe that's 1/4 inch. And I still need to make the exhaust pipe. I was going to put the stock exhaust back on, but I think I'll go ahead and put this one on. I had this one sitting in a box, and I'm going to go ahead and fit this exhaust to it. It's coming out center of the middle underneath the seat. So I still have the 35 chain and sprocket on there. It's a 54 sprocket. I have a 60 tooth. I think I might change to it, but I may wait and upgrade with the more power this engine's going to put out. I may wait and put the 420 chain on there, and 41 or 420, whatever it is, and have a little bigger chain, and it may not break. So let's take a look at the other side. So here's what I came up with for the carburetor on this side. And I think it looks pretty good. I tried to use the same color. In fact, it was the same color I sprayed here, however it's just a little bit more red or orangey. I don't know why. It may have been the base color that was under here was more red, and this was just metal, you know, just a bare metal. So yeah, I mean, it looks good. Got the carburetor linkage, fuel line's already hooked up. I've got the kill switch hooked up. It's got oil in it. I ran the drain line right there. Carburetor looks really nice. It functions. It functions 100%. So I've got the kill switch installed already. It's ready to go. Got it temporarily grounded out right there on that bolt. The starter system is not hooked up at the moment. I don't have the harness in for the battery. We'll just use the pull start to get it started. I was thinking about putting the insulator back in here at the carburetor. Not to insulate the carburetor, because I think it's going to stay plenty cool as it is, but it'll help direct the airflow. If you see, there's a gap there. And I think the insulator, it comes down and it will help direct the airflow more over the cylinder instead of possibly losing some of it right here. So yeah, with that said, I think we got to get to work on that exhaust, get it installed, and get this thing started, huh? All right. I got the RLV muffler installed. The pipe's in, looks pretty good. I like it. And I got the engine tightened down to the engine plate. We got some gas in the gas tank. I think we're ready to try to start it up. Now I don't know how much tuning this carburetor is going to take. This is literally right out of the box, and I do have some other jets for it. I'll have to figure out what that would be later if it doesn't run correctly. Like I said, we got some gas in the gas tank now. Oh, where's the lid? There's the lid. Put the lid on. I got the gas tank held down by zip ties, and man, I'm excited and scared all at the same time. Will it run? Is it going to start up for me? I don't know. Turn the gas on, let it fill up with gas for a while I reposition the camera angle. All right, so got the gas turned on. Got the ignition on. I'm nervous to start it. Is it gonna run? Man, I hope so. Oh, nerves, nerves, nerves. Was all this work worth it? Oh, man. Come on, NIBBI. Come on, Max Performance 224. Let's go. I'm gonna try it without choke. I don't have a clutch on it. I don't have a chain on it. So the engine can rev and idle right here without any problems. I think that's the best way to do it. If I can get it to run right and idle right, then I'll go ahead and put the clutch and the chain on it. But for right now, let's see what we got. Ooh, kickback. It's on. Oh, there's a little bit of a fire. Give it a little bit of gas. Almost. Try it again. There's a little smoke coming out here, backfiring. Looks like we got a gas leak somewhere. Runs though. Yeah. Leaking a lot of fuel. It's nowhere. Looks like it's just coming out of this hose right here on the side of the NIBBI carburetor. I gotta figure out what that hose is for. Probably an overflow. Maybe the floats are stuck or the needle or something stuck. I may have to go in there and adjust that. If it's not shutting the fuel off, it's flooding out the engine, I think. But it ran, right? It ran. Very nice. I'm happy. I want to hear it run one more time, even if it does have a fuel leak. Oh. Stupid thing revs fast. Oh man. Well, it looks like I got a problem. I've got a fuel problem with that NIBBI carburetor. It's got fuel coming out here and it's got fuel coming out the top. So I got to figure that out. So this is just a little quick video. See if we can get the 224 Max Performance running. And we did. We accomplished that. It's running. It's not idling. Got a little bit of work to do, I guess, on the carburetor. And yeah, but that's promising. That's really promising. It runs strong and it accelerates so fast. Man. Yeah. All right. So thanks for following me along on this build. I knew it took a long time. And yeah, we got more to do here. We're not done yet. I'm gonna go ahead and figure out this carburetor. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my videos. You can check out the playlist on the complete build on this mini bike on the YouTube. I'll try to leave a link in the description, and I'll leave a link in the description for all the parts that I used. And my brake, still having trouble with it. I think it might be the master cylinder after all. I got a new master cylinder to go on it a larger one. I may try that next, but first let's get it to idle and run and rideable. So till the next video, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.